Imagine that you can make cheesecakes like these with your own hands, with a perfectly even base, delicate texture, beautiful layers, and fillings that complement each other perfectly. And for this, you don't have to be a professional pastry chef at all. In my course, you'll learn to make 10 completely different cheesecakes, from classic to modern, with various flavors, textures, and preparation techniques. And most importantly, I'll show you the whole process in such detail that you'll be able to replicate it in your own kitchen. And I know it's possible, not just because these recipes work for me. Many of my students are already cooking with them. This is exactly the result I want for everyone who comes to study with me. I've been involved in the art of pastry for over 15 years now. During this time, I've worked with all kinds of desserts, cakes, candies, pastries, and ice cream. I've experimented a lot with recipes and techniques, and over the years I've realized one very important thing: even the best recipe doesn't guarantee a good result on its own. So much depends on the details, the consistency of the batter, the temperature of the ingredients, the sequence of steps, baking and cooling. Sometimes a very small mistake can completely change the texture of the finished cheesecake. And that's exactly why I pay so much attention to the details in my courses. You won't just get a list of ingredients and see a few beautiful shots of the preparation. We'll be cooking together with you, step by step. I'll show you how to make a perfectly even base and neat edges, how to prepare different fillings, what the correct consistency of the cheesecake batter should be, what to look for during baking, how to cool the cheesecake properly, how to work with extra layers and textures, and of course, how to beautifully decorate the finished dessert. It's important to me that while cooking, you don't have to think, wait, what just happened? Why did it work for her but not for me? What should the consistency be at this stage? That's why I try to show even those small nuances that often stay behind the scenes. Ten different cheesecakes await you in the course. I specifically didn't want to collect 10 similar recipes where only one flavor changes. You'll be working with different techniques, bases, fillings, and textures. The course includes both baked cheesecakes and 2 cheesecakes that are made completely without bacon. Some recipes are based on well-known classics that I've refined to my taste, while I created some of the recipes and flavor combinations myself. It's important to me that every dessert isn't just beautiful, it has to be truly delicious, so that the sweetness is balanced and the different textures complement each other, so that every layer is there not just for a pretty cross-section, but actually adds something to the flavor. I've changed some of the recipes many times. I tried different proportions, changed ingredients and combinations, until I got exactly the result I wanted to include in the course. And if you're looking at these cheesecakes right now and thinking, it's very pretty, but I could never do that, don't be so quick to think that. Both total beginners and experienced pastry chefs have used my courses to bake. If you're a novice, you can follow along with me step by step, pause the lesson, go back to any part, and bake calmly at your own pace. And if you already have experience, you'll get new recipes, techniques, flavor pairings, and ideas that you can use in your own work. And I want you to come away from this training with much more than just 10 recipes. When you start to understand the technology, it becomes much more interesting. You can already experiment, change flavors, combine different elements, use specific fillings and techniques in other desserts, and gradually create something of your own. I think what I love most about teaching is receiving photos of my students' finished work. When someone doubts themselves at first, wondering if they can do it, and then sends a photo of their cheesecake and writes, "Hooray, I did it!" To me, that's much more important than just a pretty video, because the real result of my course isn't the cheesecakes I'm making now, but the cheesecakes that you'll be able to make after it. If you like the cheesecakes you saw today and want to learn how to make them with me, I invite you to join my full cheesecake course. 10 detailed lessons await you with different techniques, textures, and flavors, along with all my experience, which I've tried to share as clearly and thoroughly as possible. You can take the course at your own pace and refer back to the lessons while you're baking. You'll find all the course information in the access link in the description below this video. I'll be very happy to see you among my students, and perhaps the next cheesecake that your loved ones or your clients admire will be made by you.